How to get a big yes from someone. This is Naren, conquering communication with you all. If you want to get a big yes from someone, don't rush straight into the question. What you gotta do is get a few small yeses from that person. Let's say I want you to say yes to a TV I want to sell to you. I'm not gonna ask you straight away, hey, here's a TV for $1,000. Do you want to buy it? What I want to do is ask you and get a few small yeses from you. Example, hey, do you like watching TV and Netflix? You'll probably say yes. Then I'm gonna ask, do you like a smart TV with internet connectivity and that is also high definition? You'll be like, yes. And that's when I should ask you the question, hey, do you wanna buy this TV? It suits your needs. What I'm doing is seeding a few yeses in your mind before asking a big yes, and you are more prone to saying yes when you are already saying small yeses beforehand. This is a simple trick which you can use in your daily business interactions. Much love. I'll see you in my next video, and let me know by sharing this video if you really found this valuable.